In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram story music not available in your region. If you're seeing that message when you try to add a song to your story, it usually means the music feature is restricted where you live because of licensing and copyright agreements. The good news is there are a few simple things you can try that often restore access or improve what you can use. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully up to date. Updates don't just fix bugs, they also roll out changes tied to regional availability. Open your device's app store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see the option. After updating, fully close Instagram and reopen it so the changes take effect. Then try creating a new story, tap the sticker icon, and look for the music sticker again. If it appears, you're good to go. If it's still missing, try switching your account type. Some users find that moving to a professional account, either creator or business, unlocks music options depending on the region. To switch, go to your profile, open the menu, head to Settings and Privacy, find Account Type and Tools, and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose the option that best matches how you use Instagram, follow the on-screen prompts, and complete setup. This doesn't cost anything and you can change it later. Once you're switched, test the music sticker in a new story. Sometimes the library updates within a few minutes, so give it a moment and try again if it's not there immediately. Next, check your account settings and the type of content you're posting. In some regions, business accounts have a more limited music library due to licensing rules. If that applies to you, temporarily switching back to a personal account can help. Use the same account type and tools section to switch to a personal account, then reopen the story editor and check the music sticker again. If you regularly post promotional content with music, be aware that certain tracks may be restricted on business profiles. Sticking to non-promotional, everyday stories can sometimes expand what's available. A quick reminder, the availability of music is ultimately controlled by licensing in your country and it can change over time. Updating the app, switching account types, and verifying your settings are the safest, most reliable ways to nudge the feature into showing up when it's allowed in your region. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.